learning that the National Commission for Women is conducting a consultation to review Muslim personal law and address the rights of Muslim women. Now, the consultation is currently underway. The meeting is also being attended by the Attorney General of India, R. Venkataraman, and various additional Solicitor Generals in attendance as well. Remember, the NCW is also playing a crucial role when it comes to gathering a consensus in terms of the rights of Muslim women with regards to all that is being done to bring in UCC in the country. Even the Law Commission was approached earlier, and the Law Commission had played a significant role. And now the NCW, the National Commission for Women, has also been roped in to conduct a consultation only to review the Muslim personal law. And remember, even the Waqf board and as far as the Muslim personal law board is concerned, they all have jumped into the entire controversy, saying that the rights of Muslim women is not a concern for the central government. In the meantime, let's also bring out some reactions for you that have been coming in.
Uniform Civil Code is something that is going on. It's a debate that's all across the country at this point of time. The Law Commission is already seized of the matter. It has invited public opinions. Since you've been a framer of law, you've studied law, preached law for a long time, do you think that in a country as diverse as ours, there can be such a code that brings uniformity, or would it be beneficial, and can it be brought as well?
See, uniformity will always be beneficial, but before this Uniform Civil Code is implemented, there should be a large-scale consultation with the public at large. And just enforcing it like that may not be good for the country, for the society, or for the public at large. But once there is a general discussion with the public at large and majority view comes forward, then only it should be, and whatever is the proposed code, that should also be brought in public domain so that everybody has opportunity to look into it, raise their concerns and objections, and the government should only implement it after large scale consultation.
All right, so as we've been talking about the UCC for Muslim women especially, this is becoming a huge bone of contention. Several Muslim law bodies have had to say that it is merely an attempt to undo the existing Muslim law, and that religion and religious practices will not be complementing the UCC. For more details, let's quickly bring in our legal correspondent, Ananya, who's joining me live. Ananya, with the NCW also now participating in this entire survey or conducting these kind of consultations, which as we all know are also being presided over by the Attorney General, what should we expect? Should we now expect greater faith for especially Muslim women when it comes to the issue of UCC?
Well, definitely. You know, Akansha, first of all, the Law Commission yesterday extended the timeline for a public view on, in fact, the Uniform Civil Code till July 28th. So definitely, in fact, we spoke to, in fact, the chairman of the Law Commission, and he was very keen that, you know, since an overwhelming response has been coming in, and in fact, there has been constant support of the people, more than 50 lakh responses have now come in. The Law Commission has, taken a decision to extend, in fact, the timeline for giving the public comments on, in fact, the Uniform Civil Code and how it will be affecting or not affecting the people of India of various religions as well. Now, the another key aspect that the meet that is taking place, the meeting that began at 11 a.m. in the morning, is being chaired by the chairperson of the National Commission for Women, Mr. Rekha Sharma. Apart from that, Attorney General of India, Mr. R. Venkatramani, Joint Secretary from the Home Ministry is also a part of this, and in fact various officials of the Law Ministry too are a part of this big consultation that is going to happen, that is happening in the Vigyan Bhavan at this point of time. And the key aspects that are being discussed discussed, the key issues that are being discussed is with regards to, a codification of the Muslim personal law. Secondly, the inheritance rights to Muslim women. Apart from that, marriage, uniform age of marriage, issue of polygamy, and various other issues are being discussed in this particular consultation. And I think when this consultation actually, the exercise concludes, there would be a report that would be given out by the National Commission for Women with regards to their stand particularly on this issue and how it would impact a uniform civil code in the country. Now, whether or not this would be coming in, whether or not a uniform civil code will be coming in fact, the winter session or the monsoon session, or the Law Commission of India would be concluding this year itself its report on uniform civil code, is something that is a matter of time. We'll get to know as time flies by. But at this point of time, crucial meet happening, significant decision also coming in from the Law Commission of India. Let's see how things pan out after.
All right. Many thanks to you, Ananya Bhatnagar, for bringing in all the latest.